I'll send you up. Can I send you up? I'm about to speak.
Order filled.
Oh shit! Oops, I left an order open. Eek! I didn't even know, bro. Oops.
Hey, yo, what's up here?
Hey, hey, Sam, what's up? What up?
Good, man, good. I also seen I just seen a trade on YM. That one was pretty crazy. I could have risked like 200 to make 2 grand.
Oh, you did it on YM?
I did on ES, the trade that I actually took, but the problem is the YM trade was at the same time, and I just wanted to choose one trade, so I got into the ES one, and yeah, target the next order block, and I was out.
What? Pretty quick? That's good, dude. Let me see. So,
Order filled.
hold on. Let me move my stop up here real quick. I got 130. I forgot about this 130 order. Dude, I really want to see like 231 real quick. So let me see. I'll pull up the chart. So you did it on ES?
Yeah,
Like
you don't
ES
trade
or
it.
MES?
Well, I did MES.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't trade ES. I mean, I've never really tried it. I don't know why. I don't know why I would go into like oil or silver or something stupid instead of just going to ES.
Stop filled.
If you're gonna try ES, yeah, I'd say that, and YM is nice too.
Yeah. So what'd you do? So you did down here?
See what my entry price was. I did 50, 65, 99.
Oh, okay, up here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
right there.
You caught that
Bottom
candle.
ticket. Yeah.
Nice. Dude, so that was worth $2,000. So then what'd you get out?
That was $1,000, but
Mhm.
there's a YM trade that I would have probably looked at. It was I'm trying to find it, dude. Where is it at? So it was at 705. It retested into the block. 260, I think 260, 269. Stop loss 207. It was at 705.
Oh, 265. Right here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. I mean, that was pretty clean, too. That was really good. I don't know. I have no idea what
Or
this is close to.
269 if we're in it. 269 to be exact.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right here. Yeah, bottom of that wick.
Yeah.
I mean, even this one, I think you might have cut up. Nope. But dude, yeah. Oh shit. I mean that was like the bottom of that move. How much would that be worth?
So yeah, let me check right now. So if I were to risk properly, maybe $200, I'll be targeting the next block. So about 2,330 with risking 265.
Wow. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. Yeah, that's a really good RR, right? Shit, we're going back up.
Oh yeah, that's a really good RR because I know like there's people that will risk $200 but they'll get out at like $20.
Yeah, right. Yeah, dude, that's so backwards. Did you see people online that are like, "Oh, I use like a negative RR strategy"? I'm like, what?
Bro, they gotta be trolling.
I know. That's weird. That doesn't make any sense. But I don't know. Whatever. So that's cool. You took that ES trade though. That was really good. Good for you, man. I'm glad to see you're taking trades on your own and stuff. You know, how's that been going? Overall?
Oh yeah. It's been going good. I'd say this last week made like 2.8 grand.
Okay, that's good. And are you still on a funded, or did that get?
The 50K, no, this is like a new eval that I'm using to trade on my own.
Yeah, there you go. That's good. I mean, it's been a good time for evals. I think like that's what I've been mainly trading. I mean, I hit up my funded every once in a while, but like I don't know the market. I mean, it's just a lot of weird shit happening. You know.
It's always war, no war. Like, did you see like before we were dumping hella, then now we pumped like, you should have seen that we pumped like 500 points. No, not even like 700 points.
What, this morning?
Yeah, I mean after like 5 in the morning.
Oh, no, I didn't. I was sleeping, dude. I'd like.
Okay, because we were down hella at one point. We were at 23.6666 at
Let me see.
or 23 at 5:30, and from there, ever since right there, we pumped. At one point, we pumped 600 points, I think, or 530 points.
Mm,
Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah. And what was that? Just because the war's over, supposedly?
Supposedly, yeah. Then he's probably gonna announce it's not over. Then
Well, you can see. I think you could tell. I mean, what? I think this is a pretty mild reaction to the war actually being over. I think people are like apprehensive to jump on that boat anymore. You know, thinking it's over because he's pulled the rug or whatever, changed his mind.
oh yeah,
Hmm.
That's
That's
what-
600 points.
that's
Or,
what-
whatever? I mean, or 700.
yeah.
Hmm.
That's
Oh,
why oil prices are going to the roof for sure.
Oh, they are. Oh, holy
Yeah,
fuck! 110. Excuse me.
Yeah, dude, it went up like 10% today.
Wow, dude, 110 is really bad. I went to fill my car up yesterday. I drive a diesel wagon, right? It's like 15. That's like a 12-gallon tank or something like. Well, 15, I think. It's like $90.
Oh gee.
I'm like, fuck, man. Well, diesel's like
Oh
five.
jeez.
Yeah, five something a gallon. And
Dang,
like,
is it the BMW wagon?
yeah, yeah. But I
Oh, I
fill up
see.
twice a week. I mean, that's why it's. I don't fill up as often, you know. Like I do it twice a month, not twice a week, twice a month. So, and it's still cheaper than gas, but that was like the most money I've ever seen that I put in a freaking gas tank. You know, crazy.
Yeah, 100%. That's a lot.
Mm-hmm. Dude, this. Wow. That happened last night. See, I don't know. So that's weird that the war ain't over. This shit's still so. Wait, what did Trump say? He said like we're done and you guys have to deal with the Strait of Hamas or whatever. I think that's what he said.
Something
Yeah.
similar to that.
Son of a bitch, dude. I really wanted this 120, man. I alerted it. But I canceled. Look at that shit. I would have ripped 80 points. Yeah, something like that. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know. So that's why. I mean, that would make sense why oil's up. I mean, maybe we short oil here. That's a lot, though, dude. We try short oil. I don't know. I don't know, man.
That's not. Don't go against the trend.
Yeah, you're right. All right, that is your friend. So maybe we should do this.
So I have a question. You played So you've played Overwatch, right?
Mm-mm. No.
No, wait. What's the Outright? No, there's something game you played.
Oh, Arc Raiders?
Yeah, you like that game?
Yeah. That was a lot of
Oh,
fun. I haven't
nice.
played in like a couple months, dude, but I was playing with Blank and I was playing with like Elite Psy and there's Elite Sing and Jay, the other Jay. I don't know if he's still around.
Jay. I heard of Jay.
Yeah, the guy that yeah.
Jay, right?
Yeah, that guy, yeah.
Got you. Yeah, I heard of him.
I mean the game's fun. I don't know. I mean I haven't played recently, but it's really fun. It's an enjoyable experience for sure. Like you get hooked and it's fun. I mean, you know, like Blank is pretty cynical or whatever, I don't know what you call it, skeptical about picking up a new game. He tried it, he quit. Because kind of at first, like, what is this shit? Like, I don't care about it. Like, and then you all of a sudden you're hooked and you don't even know it.
It's addicting, bro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's got a good like replay loop or whatever. So, yeah, man. Are you working today?
Yeah, I'm working. This will make my work go better though, because I cut that ES straight. But
Yeah, man. Yeah.
hey, bro,
Hmm.
I have a question.
What?
You I don't know if I seen correctly, bro. I think we have the same car because I seen one time you were making a video and it was a long time ago. I seen you were the interior of some type of BMW. It was the i4, right?
I had it was like an i7 that I had, the rental car that I had.
Oh
Yeah.
wow, that's insane.
Yeah, they gave me one of those, and they wouldn't take it back for some reason. I had it for a month.
Did they charge
Like,
you?
no, they didn't charge me. They didn't charge me for anything. They're just a bunch of idiots, dude. I'm like, hey, can I get my car back? They're like, no. And I'm like, okay. Like, you want to trade?
Did they
Two hundred
they
thousand
like
dollar
your
car?
car?
I guess so. I don't know what they were doing to it the whole time. I mean, they let it sit under a tree in the parking lot and didn't do shit to it, actually.
What the fuck?
I
They
know,
must
right?
hate electric cars.
Yeah. Uh, damn, dude. Yeah, 120. So, yeah. I don't know. I was hoping to catch something. I got a meeting here in a minute.
So, so you're in charge of the Discord, huh?
Yeah, I'm already the owner. Me and Vinny.
Nice. So you guys trying to get member? Are you guys like trying to grow it?
That's wrong. Tell them.
Wait, what do you think about? Have you heard of a guy named Diesel Trades?
Yeah.
We think he's pretty. Is he still active? I remember he was in the military.
I don't know. I mean, he does like house culture or whatever.
I see. Then you had a Romeo too,
Mm-hmm.
or Romez. Yeah, Romez, that guy.
Yeah, I think Diesel. I mean, a long time ago, I kind of like took his options class or whatever. And, I mean, I had some
Hmm.
luck with like what I learned from him, but I think he did like a EMA crossover sort of thing. But I think his futures trading. I don't know. I mean, I don't follow him. I think he's kind of a hothead. He's a little I don't know what you call it, like reckless. He's more reckless than I am, I think. So
Oh
which
yeah.
is
How about
change something.
how Romez?
I don't know. I never really followed him, but I think he's okay, I guess.
I see.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if we can find something here. So long, definitely not short. See, aren't we glad we didn't short that?
Yeah,
That's
especially
gonna
with
be.
how I think for oil you'd want to pull back. And then tomorrow is the market's closed, right?
We're 688. Uh, wait, what? It's tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow, right? Oh fuck!
Yeah. Good Friday. It's Good Friday.
Um, dude, I gotta cancel my soccer practice. Well, so is it totally closed tomorrow?
That's what I heard.
Can you believe there's a dildo Canada? That's so weird.
I've been to Canada a lot of times, man. I'm pretty sure you have too.
Me? I've been like
Yeah.
once I think. And then I got a DUI, and then I never went. And then I only actually like recently got my passport in the last couple of years. I've never been up there that much. I want to go though.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I want to go. There's like a Gordon Ramsay restaurant. I want to go up there and get me a beef willy.
Oh, wow. That would be killer as hell. I don't know what's going on, but these restaurants have been kind of lame lately. Their quality's been going down bad.
His?
Not his, just like restaurants in general.
Oh, dude, 100%, dude. It is so bad. Like, well, actually, I've been to a couple restaurants lately where were decent, but like the last one I went to was shit. But I totally agree, dude. It's so hard to find a good restaurant these days. It's like ever since COVID or something, everybody cut their costs, their margins, and it's like shit food, and I don't give a shit. And then Washington is like minimum wage is like $21 now, and then they still expect you to tip. And I'm like,
They're spoiled with that. They get pissed off if you don't tip.
man. Dude, yeah, tipping culture is fucked. But it was one thing when they were making like $7 an hour, but now they're making $21.50 or whatnot plus tips.
Dude, there's some jobs even with a degree that don't even pay 21. That's crazy as fuck.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I worked at the Olive Garden for a while, and I was making like probably like $26, $27 an hour with tips. Like I would make about 20%, 18% of my sales every shift, right? But I was making $7 an hour. But I keep all the tips. I mean, I tip out the back of the house a little bit, but nowadays I feel
Olive Garden?
Yeah, the Olive Garden. You ever been there?
I've been there quite a few times. There's actually one like 6 minutes away from me.
Yeah. Yeah. I worked there. I worked at a few different restaurants. But
Black Bear? You said Black Bear?
what? What's
Black Bear Diner?
No.
Oh, it's like a
I never
diner.
heard of- You should work at a restaurant, dude. That's like good money, man. I used to work like part time, like 20, 25 hours a week, and I'd make, $400 or $500 a week, I think. Something like that.
Would you have to deal with customers that were like you didn't like?
Oh yeah. I was front of the house. I was server. I was a server. Yeah. They bring
Dang.
out the food orders and stuff like that. I mean, it was cool. You just talk to them. I didn't try to like sell nothing, but because they try to tell you like, oh, sell a bottle of wine or whatever, and it's like, nah. People want
Oh,
wine,
yeah.
they're gonna buy wine. It's like I ain't gonna make it do it. I don't know. Kind of watching this 178 here. I gotta go here in like 10 minutes, but. Are you still watching the charts or what? Are you done?
On that account, I'm honestly done. That account, I'm only taking like 1 or 2 setups a session, or I should just say a day.
Good. That's good, man. You got good self. I don't like saying self-discipline, but self-mastery.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I'm targeting for my trades. I mean, it depends on the chart, but I'm targeting like 3 RR plus.
Yeah. I wonder what we're doing here. We try long one, 110, 10. Let's see. Oh my God. Well, we might be too far gone. Would have been so nice to catch this 220. That was just about 100 points. I'm surprised it like ranged like this over and over again. It's like, fuck, man. Like, cause I got in.
Dude,
Was it 130?
I want on what? MQ? Oh, NQ, yeah. Oh yeah, it's been stuck in like okay, it's been stuck between like 105 and 200 for a while.
Yeah, apparently. Like, I first tried here, and I got stopped out by like a fucking tick or point.
Wow, what the heck?
Yeah, and then I bought up. I bought like right when it came back up above this line, and then I don't know. apparently I got out. I don't know what happened. See. Oh, see. Oh, shit. See, dude, I set my stop at like 23 instead of break even. That sucks. So if I was, let's see, if I was 22. Oh, I think so. If I would have done like break even, dude, I would have caught that move there, which is what I wanted to do. And I accidentally bought a short. I had too many contracts, too many orders. And then this, 130 came back down, stopped me out of break even after a 20-point trim. So
Yesterday?
whatever.
Oh, no, that was.
This morning.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's just,
So
but it's that it's very annoying when you get like a trim, like when you trim, then it hits like break. That it gets like very annoying. It happens with me a lot.
dude, I know. Where you trim and it goes back to break even, and then it goes.
Yeah, yeah. Then like you'll say you like it happened to me on an oil trade. I took a personal oil trade. I was up like 350, and then I trimmed, put my stop loss to break even. Then it hit it. I ended up making like 150.
Yeah, it sucks. I mean, it's like ideally you want your trim to be more than your stop, right? Like, you know what I mean? So if you're risking like 150 and you trim like 120, you're still gonna have 60 bucks on the table. So if you did not move your stop and it got hit, you would still make like some money, right? Because I usually go to BE to protect my profits, but it's also if my trim is like doesn't leave me in a profitable position if my stop gets hit, you know. So I'll just go to BE usually out of habit after first trim. Because I mean, there's also times where it runs right through, you know.
Oh,
So just
100%. Like you can,
yeah,
yeah, there are those times too.
you know.
I don't know. It's like there are also times where if you just put it break even, sometimes break even never gets hit and you hit your target.
That's what you really want, dude. Yeah, yeah. That's like that's ideal. Oil's pumping. I tried to get in here, I guess. Yeah, good thing we didn't short that.
And it looks like she's
Right,
gone.
dude. Yeah, glad you were here. Voice of
That's why I
reason.
said not to short. That's why like I wouldn't short it because we're in a bullish trend.
Yeah. Oh, hey, trade.
Crazy, dude. Crazy. We were up at like 114 at one. I think yeah, oil was at almost 114.
That's wild, dude. That was a bad move, man. That's really bad, dude. That means that's like, I mean, oil doesn't move like that, or hasn't. You know,
Usually
we kind of
not.
no, we kind of get some moves. What is that, like 12? Some of that. That was really that means like really bad news for oil. But whatever the hell's going on over at Hamas or whatever, dude, that's really bad.
Yeah, dude. So much crazy shit this year. First the Epstein thing, now the war, then now the war is kind of fucking up the markets. I've literally got wicked out a couple times just from war talk.
I know. It's been rough, dude. I mean, it's like a hostile environment. I mean, it always kind of is, but it's super hostile now.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you never know. Wait, like you could easily get wicked out. Then on gold, I've heard of people. What was I about to say?
Mm.
A lot of people are blowing their accounts on this type of price action.
Yeah, I've blown a few accounts. I've blown accounts just by losing. Like I didn't really tilt or nothing like that. I took a lot of trades and I just lost,
I mean, a lot of
lost.
good. I mean, to be fair, a lot of good traders are. It's crazy right now.
Yeah, I mean I don't sweat. I mean I feel better about losing an account that way sometimes than tilted, right? Because when you do the dumb shit, it's like that's when you're basically sealing your fate, you know. But if you keep your head on and just don't do stupid stuff, like you gotta check. Like this account, I think it was this account. Let me see. Oh, dude, see, I was down $1,700 yesterday.
1700.
Yeah, I mean, I kept just losing. Yeah, dude, I almost blew it. So 2,000 was it, and I turned it around.
How many? Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, that
How
was
many
driven
cons
by.
are you doing?
I was doing 5.
5 micros?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
5 MOQ, and then I had that one, like the 180 trade, like really helped. Vinny mentioned it in live, but I mean I was already in it. That really just like turned things around, and then from then on, I mean, because like if you stick to your strat, dude, your edge, you've got your edge for a reason, right? It works, you know. You know it does. Like I mean, I trusted my edge. I mean, I did keep getting burned and burned and burned, but I was taking trades without reservation or hesitation. I was getting back in, you know. I was doing my thing. I was abiding by my rules and stuff, and then you just all it takes is like that one winner, and then you're fucking back in, and then you know you get another one, and you're back up. That was basically like 2 trades that really like set me straight, and then yeah, so I went from like just about dying to back up $1,000. So,
Damn. So you got in the green.
yeah, the point is just stick, like don't lose your cool and don't start doing dumb stuff. Like, and you can tilt all day with like 1 micro if you really want to, or 2 or 3. Just
Exactly.
don't increase. Yeah, don't increase your size. You'll be fine. Yeah.
Some people tilt with minis.
Yeah, that when you start increasing your size or moving your stops and just doing that really stupid stuff, like that's when you really start losing, you know?
Yeah. No, 100%.
Yeah, I try to. I mean, and I like yeah, just don't increase your size, you know? Stick to your rules, and like when I'm feeling kind of tilty, like I will make myself most of the time not, you know, don't mark it in. You just enter on one of your levels anyways, you know?
Yeah, marketing is not good because not just that, you can get a very bad, especially on gold, you're gonna get a very bad feel sometimes.
Oh, dude. Oh yeah. Right? Spread is like can be pretty high. I don't know. Let's look at an order here. 100 ticks down. This range is nasty though. I mean, you want to try like it might break through this time.
What you got? What you got loaded?
It's 120, 3 contracts. I'm just trying to play the bottom of the range again.
That's the one you missed earlier, huh? By just a few ticks
Yeah,
or
like
points?
it. I think it came down to like right here, 122. I canceled it because it went 30 points, but then it came right back down to our entry.
Yeah, it does that a lot, dude. It's been hard to catch anything.
Yeah, I feel like I've been chasing a lot, you know. And when it's like moving, it doesn't really look back. You don't get the retracements, you know.
Yeah, 100%.
Mhm.
What do you got? One on
Awesome.
120.50 or what?
Yeah, about 3.
Okay.
I don't know. We need to 105 is like a terrible stop. I'm gonna bump it. I'm gonna move it a little bit. I think 199. Okay.
Turn.
So risking like 127. I mean that's okay. See what happens. 130 could be it too. Or oh, I mean it's actually, I mean it's dropping, so we might just get destroyed. We'll see.
Order filled.
We're in. Yeah. What's that? There's 105.
Well, there's break even
130.
almost.
Yeah. It's coming back up to test that low. We're going lower, I think. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, our stop is still kind of shitty, so we'll see. We can do like a 10. Would like to see like, dude, maybe we go, dude. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. The
There's
order's
almost
still pumping.
almost break even again. Almost.
It's giving us an escape pod here. I don't know if we should take it. Get out of it. Yeah, I think it's
We're
gonna
just,
get us.
Stop filled.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I gotta go, dude. I mean, that was a pretty solid drop, actually. I mean, we tried to catch the knife just because the range here, but you could tell that was like. And plus,
Oh
we
yeah,
got oil going up.
I didn't even get into that one anyway.
You did good. That's good. So like, yeah, I came back right back up and actually just tested 120. So then shorts would have been good.
Shorts would have been nice.
Mm-hmm. All right, man. I gotta drop though. Later, guys. Good talking to you, Sam.
I meant,
Peace.
are you too?